Okay, so we've just got the snake plants out. I'm gonna dig it out. So that's how it's attached. Yeah. So what you gotta do is basically have some roots and then the shoot, and cut it right close to where it starts from the mother plant. So that's another cutting. Okay. All right. Let's take a look at the other guy. It should be pretty easy to take it out. Okay, same goes with the other one as well. So we're going to use some soil from the same pot, put it here, and then mix the new potting mix. All right. Alright guys, so I filled the pot to almost the brim, and now just left a little bit of space to plant them. So yeah. So 2 plants have become 4 plants now. So you have to space it a little bit, so because even in the future it's gonna shoot out some pups like these. So put some more soil. You don't have to fill it right up to the top. You have to leave some space so that you can add some more soil in the future if you want to top it up. That's pretty much it. All you have to do is just water it now. Okay.